Hey guys, I have finally tried the pulling oil and I love it. You guys, this is such great stuff with so many benefits. I should have tried it earlier. I got it from GuruNanda because GuruNanda is the brand that I trust. I use their essential oils. If you don't use their essential oils, I'm going to link them here in my review. Amazing brand. So what is pulling oil? Pulling oil is 100% sesame seed and has other things in it like peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and coconut oil, things like that. It helps you with your oral hygiene. But not only that, whiter teeth, better gum, better hair, better skin. People say it helps with even with weight loss. So pulling oil is amazing. I should have tried it earlier. It's part of my morning routine now. I swish it like normal mouth water in my mouth, only longer. So this was the hard part for me because I would swish it 2 minutes and then I would spit it out. By the way, you're always supposed to spit it out. Don't even think about swallowing. Okay, spit it out. Then rinse with water and then brush your teeth. That's the idea. So the swishing part, you're supposed to pull it through your teeth and it needs to go in your gum and through your teeth. So you do the like you imitate like a sucking motion. You have to pull it through your teeth, and I could only do it like 2 minutes and I would spit it out and start fresh, which is okay. Now I can do 7 minutes because I have a morning routine. What I do is I do it in the shower, I do it when I prepare my coffee, I do it when I'm doing other things. So you have to make sure that you have it in your routine and then it works and it helps. I have whiter teeth. I feel like my oral hygiene is so much better. I feel like my immune system is better. I feel like my immune system can concentrate on other things but my mouth hygiene, and it makes you feel fresher. It makes you feel better. The lemon oil helps with whiter teeth. The tea tree helps with bleeding gum. So many benefits. And the peppermint helps you with fresher breath. I mean, it helps to get rid of bad breath anyway. So I can only recommend you guys try pulling oil. You'll be like I am. You'll be like, okay, why did I wait this long? But give yourself the time to adjust to the routine because it takes a while. In the beginning I was only like doing 2 minute segments and now I'm at 7 minutes, which is amazing. I will not ever stop using this. So good, you guys.